Welcome back to another video. So today we are going to type a program which would print the string we enter in alternative cases. As usual, you can pause the video and try writing the solution yourself. So now let us begin with the program. First we will ask the string in which we are going to capitalize the alternate letter. So for that we write string 1 equal to enter any word. Now calculating the length of the string, we write length equal to len bracket string 1. Now we will have to use the for loop, so before using that we will write for I in range 0, length. If I%2 double equal to 0. String 2 equal to string 2 plus string 1 square bracket I. Else string 2 equal to string 2 plus string 1 square bracket I dot upper. So basically this for loop will change the element in the odd index value to uppercase. Now to print the final string we will write print string 2. As of now, if we run the program and type the string as school, we can see that the letters C, O and I have been shifted to uppercase. So the program works fine. Hence we are done for now. If you liked the video, then appreciate it by giving a thumbs up. If watching my videos for the first time, then subscribe to the channel as it is being shown at the corner, and also share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.